Tired of the appointment scheduling chaos that's swallowing your valuable time? In this video, we're putting Dubsado Scheduler and Calendly head-to-head to help you decide which appointment scheduling tool is the perfect fit for your business. First up, Calendly. Known for its simplicity, Calendly excels at straightforward scheduling. It offers multiple meeting types, buffer times, and seamless integration with Google Calendar, Outlook, and more. Now, let's talk Dubsado. It's more than just a scheduler. It's a full-fledged CRM, allowing you to manage your entire client workflow, from lead capture to invoicing, all in one place. Scheduler is deeply integrated, offering advanced customization options. Feature-wise, Calendly wins on pure ease of use for simple scheduling. However, Dubsado's strength lies in its CRM integration, handling contracts, invoices, and email automation seamlessly. Pricing is another key differentiator. Calendly offers a free plan with basic features and paid plans offering increased customization and team functionality. Dubsado takes a different approach, offering to paid plans that include all its CRM features, including scheduling. Consider if you need all-in-one capabilities, otherwise it will not be worth the money. Integration-wise, both tools connect with popular platforms. Calendly shines with video conferencing, while Dubsado's integrations focus on accounting and advanced automation. So, who wins? If you need a simple, easy task scheduler, Calendly is a great choice. But if you're looking for a robust CRM with scheduling baked in, Dubsado is the clear winner. Now you have all the information. Choose wisely. Happy scheduling.